Good morning, students. In the previous session, we have started with problem set 3. In this session also, we'll continue it further. But before that, let us quickly revise few important concepts. We have already learned about coefficient form. That is, the coefficients of the variables are written by considering all the missing terms in the standard form of the polynomial. Now, suppose a polynomial is given as x cube minus 3x square minus 8. In order to write it in coefficient form, what is the first important step? To write it in standard form. Now, standard form we have learned that it means we have to write it in decreasing order of the power of the variable. So, this is 3, this is 2 and it was directly minus 8. One term was missing. So, that is what is written here. The coefficients of the variables are written by considering all the missing terms. So, as you can see here, it is x raised to 3, this is x raised to 2. But since x was missing, so we are writing it with 0 coefficient as plus 0x and minus 8. Now, what is the coefficient form of this? We just have to collect the coefficients of all this. What is the coefficient of x cube? 1. Minus 3x square. What is the coefficient here? Coefficient means what? The number which is associated with the variable. And when we talk about number, we always take it along with the sign. So in this case, x square, what is the number that is associated with it? Minus 3. So coefficient is minus 3. Now this was missing term, so that we need to write it by 0 coefficient. So this is 0 and then minus 8. When we collect and write all these coefficients like this and put a round bracket, that is nothing but the coefficient form of the polynomial. Now reverse of this is the index form. Okay. Now see, suppose I give you a polynomial like this, 4, 0, minus 5, 0 and 1 and ask you to write the index form. How it can be written? Suppose index form I want it by using the variable y. So you just need to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many terms are there? 5 terms. So the rule or the formula is degree of the polynomial will be number of terms minus 1. So there are 5 terms here. So degree should start with 4 because 5 minus 1 is 4. So it is 4y raised to 4. Since it is 0, so 0y cube minus 5y square plus 0y, and always this last number is the constant, that is plus 1. This form is nothing but index form of the polynomial. I hope you are understanding it. What is the basic thing or the formula to remember? You need to count these number of terms. How many are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Number of terms is 5. So degree will be number of terms minus 1. So that is the reason I am starting with 4. Okay. 4, then 3, then 2, then 1 and then the constant number. This form is nothing but index form. I hope you have understood all this, right? Okay. Let us move further. Now, based on this, we will take the problem set sums. Now, this is a MCQ question, that is the 5th one. What is the coefficient form of x cube minus 1? Now, this is x cube minus 1. Correct. So first thing is, in order to write coefficient form, I need to write it in standard form. X cube plus 0x square plus 0x and then minus 1. Then what? Collect the coefficients. What is the coefficient of x cube? Nothing written means 1. Then 0. Then 0 again and then minus 1. So this should be the coefficient form. 1, 0, 0, minus 1. Now let's see quickly. What are the options given to us? 1, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 1, 0, 0, minus 1 and 1, 3, minus 1. So obviously I hope you have understood that option C is the correct answer. Okay. So this was the 5th sum of the problem set 3. After this, let us move to question number 4, that is write the following polynomials in coefficient form. The question is x raised to 4 plus 16. What is the first step? You need to write it in standard form. Now what should be the standard form? It is x raised to 4. After 4 we should have x cube, that is missing here. So that we will write as 0x cube, then 0x square, then 0x and then this 16. Okay. So all those missing terms has to be written. Say this index form is equal to x raised to 4 plus 0x cube plus 0x square plus 0x and plus 16. and we want to write it in coefficient form. So collect the coefficient. Nothing written means 1, 0, 0, 0 and plus 16. So this way we can write the coefficient form of it as 1, 0, 0, 0 and 16. I hope it is understood. Same way, this is a second question. Just have a look at the question. Is there any missing coefficient, a missing term here? Like it is m raised to 5. After that, what we should have in standard form? M raised to 4. That is not to be seen. So we will write it with 0 coefficient. So 0 m raised to 4. Even cube is missing. So 0 m cube. Then 2m square. Then 3m and then 15. Okay. So index form is m raised to 5 plus 0 m raised to 4 plus 0 m cube plus 2m square plus 3m plus 15. Now what? We will collect the coefficient. Nothing is there means 1, 0, 0, 2, 3 and 15. Correct? 1, 0, 0, 2, 3 and 15. I hope you have understood this. This is nothing but coefficient form of the polynomial. Okay? Then question number 5 is to write the index form of the polynomial, and they have specified that they want it by using the variable x. Okay, so let's see the question. It is 3, minus 2, 0, 7 and 18. What should be the first step? You need to count how many terms are there. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 terms. So degree should start with number of terms minus 1. So degree should start with 4. They want it with variable x. Okay. So I will be writing x raised to 4, x raised to 3, x square, x and then the constant number, that is 18. Now what sign and what number has to be written? It is 3 here. So I will be writing as 3x raised to 4. Then I can see minus 2 here. So this will be minus 2x cube. Then 0 here. Then plus 0x square. Then 7 here. That will be plus 7x. And then 18 here. So that will be plus 18. So this is nothing but the index form of this polynomial. Okay. Final answer, you can eliminate the 0x square and it can be written as 3x raised to 4 minus 2x cube. If you don't want to write, you can eliminate that, plus 7x and plus 18. So this is nothing but the index form. I hope you have understood it. So for index form, what is important thing to remember? That the degree will be number of terms minus 1. So see this, 3x raised to 4 minus 2x cube plus 0x square plus 7x plus 18. Either you leave the answer like this or you remove this and then write the final answer. Both are absolutely right. Okay, so I hope you have understood it. On the same lines, I would like you to try the second question on your own and then check your answer. Okay, see how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what should be the degree? 3. Correct? So degree should be 3. Number of coefficients are 4. So degree is 3 and start with this. So it will be 6x cube plus 1x square. Even if you don't write that 1, it is understood. Plus 0x and plus 7. Okay. So final answer can be written as 6x cube plus x square plus 7. I hope you have recollected all the important points. We have already done it. It is just a revision, taking few sums from the problem set. Okay. Now this is the next one. Count how many terms are there. Again 4. Degree should be 3. So the answer will be 4x cube plus 5x square minus 3x, and the last term, the constant term, is 0 here. Okay. So even if you don't write, it is okay. Final answer can be written as 4x cube plus 5x square minus 3x. That is also absolutely fine. Right? Okay. Let us move to the next question. The next question is question number 6 from the problem set. Add the following polynomials. Now you have to add it. That polynomials are these two polynomials, 7x raised to 4 minus 2x cube plus x plus 10. This will be added to 3x raised to 4 plus 15x cube plus 9x square minus 8x plus 2. And I hope you remember, when we are adding the polynomial, we need not change the sign. What we need to do is only collect like terms. So we have written the question as it is. Since it is addition, we are not changing sign of any number in the second row, second line. We are writing it as it is again. Then collecting like terms. As you can see here, 7x raised to 4 and plus 3x raised to 4 are written together. 2x cube and 15x cube are written together, minus 2x cube, right? Then x, after cube square term is there, that is alone, that has to be written as it is, plus 9x square. Then there is term of x, plus x and minus 8x, that is written together, and then 10 and 2, the constant numbers. I hope this step is understood, that we are collecting like terms and writing it together. Then add and subtract. 7 plus 3 is 10, 10x raised to 4, minus 2 plus 15, 15 minus 2 is 13, and greater number is 15 with a plus sign, so plus 13. 9 plus 1, correct? Now this is not 9 plus 1 because it is 9x x raised to 2, so that will be written as 9x raised to 2. Now next term is minus x plus x minus 8x, okay? 8 minus 1 is 7, and 8 is a greater number with minus sign, so this will be minus 7x, and 10 plus 2 is 12. So final answer is 10x raised to 4 plus 13x cube plus 9x square minus 7x plus 12. Okay, so this way you can add the polynomials, very easy. Same way you will try the second question on your own, right? So write the question and how to add it. Since it is addition, I have already told you, signs will not change. This will be written as it is. This is a question that is written without change of sign. We are again writing, removing this bracket, just removing the brackets and writing the entire question as it is. Then we will try to collect the like terms very carefully here. Why? Because see, this is p cube q. Okay, search for it. Where is the like term? Here. So 3p cube q minus 2p cube q. This is first like term. Same way, p square q. There is one more term here, p square q. So that is to be written together. Then pq. There is no like term. It has to be written as it is. And a constant 7. Again, there is no constant here. So that will be written as it is. Add and subtract this. 3 minus 2 is 1. So even if you don't write 1p cube, even if you don't write 1 cube, 1p cube q, it is okay. You can take it as p cube q, right? 2 and 2 will give you 4p square q and plus 4q and plus 7. I hope you have understood all the steps of this. It's not difficult. Only p cube and q, they have given it like this so that you will get confused, right? Collect like terms together, add and subtract, you will get the answer. Okay. So I hope you have understood all this. With this I come to the end of this session. Today we have revised few important terms like coefficient form, index form, and how to add the polynomials, and solved few related sums from the problem set. Okay. Remaining will continue in the next session. Thank you.